Hey, so I know it's been a while, but I finally had a reason to make a video, and that's that I got another channel monetized. This isn't the full monetization just yet. This is that half monetization. You'll need 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. But the reason I wanted to make this video, and I know that there's tons of videos like this on the internet already, but this one's special to me because this is the reason why basically I haven't been posting to this channel very much. I've been working on this other channel, which is my reviews channel, my affiliate marketing channel, and I've been building that one up. So even though I haven't been posting on this channel, Average Guy, I've been working on that one. But anyway, it's monetized now. So I wanted to show you just real quick the process of monetizing a channel when you already have one monetized, and also how that channel has grown over the last year and a half. So here's the channel. It's called Reviewing Literally Everything. They say to niche down, and I really haven't done that with this channel. In fact, these videos are really easy to make. Prior to starting this channel, I was already making these videos for Amazon through the Amazon Influencer Program. And I mentioned that a few videos ago, but I just figured if I'm making these videos for Amazon anyway, I might as well put them on YouTube and drive a little traffic to Amazon, see if I can get some affiliate income. So anyway, that's what I did. And I have this channel, Reviewing Literally Everything. And on that channel, I review just about anything. I'll review everything from pens to electric scooters to shoes, just about everything. So when I started this channel, I really didn't think that it would ever grow subscribers-wise. I did not expect it to get monetized even at this level, because I thought, who's going to subscribe to a channel where you could literally have a review about shoes and then a review about pens? Like, there's no niche here, right? People are not going to be interested in both of these topics, in both of these kinds of products. And when I show you the analytics, you can see that that's definitely the case, and yet people still do subscribe to this channel. I don't necessarily recommend going with this strategy. I think you'll grow a lot faster if you niche down, even if it's just niching down in terms of the kinds of videos that appeal to you, niching down to your personality, which is oddly kind of what I do with this channel. All the products appeal to someone like me. But I did want to show that you could literally monetize any channel. My strategy for this channel has been consistency, basically volume of videos, which is, once again, not exactly what they tell you nowadays on YouTube. Quality over quantity, absolutely. You're not going to get views unless you make quality videos. Absolutely. And yet these videos are quality in a different sense. They're an average guy like me reviewing average products. And I think that's what the appeal is to some people. Anyway, here's the analytics. Let's look at it from lifetime. So it definitely started very slow. Got a few videos kind of popped right away, which is really cool. But then ever since then, it's just been growing very, very slowly over the course of the last year and a half. So it takes time. It takes commitment. But if you're willing to put in the time, if you're willing to be committed, you really can grow any channel. I did not think that this channel was going to get monetized. Like I said, who's going to subscribe to videos about random products? But it finally met that first tier monetization goal. And I think within about 3 months, it's going to hit the full monetization as well, which is just hilarious to me. So yeah, just short video. Just wanted to encourage you. If you have a channel that you want to start, but you don't think it's going to really take off, just do it anyway. Maybe you don't have the perfect strategy. That's okay. Just be consistent, work towards your goal, and keep on going. You can do it. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.